Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to switch back to the old Canva video editor. This is useful if we prefer the previous interface or find it easier to work with. Let's get started. On the Canva homepage, to go back to the old Canva video editor, all we need to do is click the mini profile logo in the lower left part of the dashboard. This is where we find the settings. Once we find the settings, we just click on it. Then, on the profile page, we need to scroll down until we see the video editing section. In the video editing section, we just need to turn this off to go back to the old video editor. As we can see, a prompt will appear. Once we turn this off, we can go back to editing videos the old way. This lets us access the older video editor layout, which is still available in Canva. It helps us work more comfortably with a familiar interface and keep our editing workflow going. And that's how we switch back to the old Canva video editor.